Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the phone accessory from LISEN or LISEN. It's the wireless charging hold. So what it does, you can it has MagSafe as well. I think it's a magnetic holder, and then you can also charge your phone, your smartwatch, if that's an Apple one. So let's take it out and see. So, some instructions on how to use it. You put the phone on, and it acts as a stand as well. It says for iPhones 12 and above, for MagSafe phone cases. That's nice. And you can also charge the earbuds. Remover the headset housing. The English is not on top in here. Remover. Remove the headset housing when it is charged. So if you have any case, obviously you can charge your earbuds. Let's see. They give us quite a nice and long cable, which is braided. You can see in here. You can see the I don't know if you can see in the video, but you see that bit in there. It proves you it's made of some sort of a cable. So it's quite long. I think it's 2 meters long. USB-C, USB-A, or USB-C to C. They give you a little adapter attached on the cable, which is nice to see. Does it say anything about the cable? How? So input 5 volts. Supports iPhone 12 and above fast charge up to 15 watts. Apple fast charging up to 2.5 watts. Output. So let's see. So it says charge it right. Avoid using your PC or laptop's USB port. So they advise you to use only QC PD 18 watts or above as a charger. Yeah. Case is up to 2.5 millimeter thick. So there we go. Took that out. Very nice and compact. So this could act as a stand, like we've seen, like this as well. Quite nice, really good quality. You can also charge like this, 2 things at the same time. And you have the USB-C with a little light indicator. So let's plug in. This one is actually says 60 watts. So I already have something already plugged in. So we'll connect that, and you can see there's a light indicating that it's on. So first of all, let's try and test with an iPhone. And it does charges using fast wireless charging. That's the symbol you see on Apple. So yeah, that's good. So wireless charging, if we move it like this, we should be able to charge something as like earbuds. So let me just try with the Samsung. I don't have all the Apple things, but I'm gonna try with the Samsung ones just to see. See, you can charge even Samsung earbuds. You won't be able to charge your Samsung smartwatch, that's for sure. And I'll show you in just a moment, because they use a different type of charger. So you see it's not compatible, it just pushes it around. But you can charge some smartwatches, like the Huawei watch. I can't remember exactly how it's called. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. This one definitely works. Because it's like charging normal earphones. From what I remember, it should do. Seems like it might not. Interesting, I thought you would. Okay, so not this one. Let's try one more time. No. Now I'm happy that the Samsung buds can be charged with that. And you can also charge an Android phone, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I think it's a brilliant thing to have, especially because you can put it like this, in this position, and you can carry on watching some movies. You can carry on using your phone, and it comes up with this nice thing that Apple has, so you could use it as a desk time and date. So yeah, there you have it. When you don't need it, it's very easy to put away in your bag. I will probably have this with me now all the time because I love it. It's so tiny, and yeah, it's very useful. You can charge your earbuds. Actually, one thing I haven't tried, just want to see, it's still the same thing with the, still can't charge the smartwatch. No chance. I'm pretty sure you can charge this smartwatch like that too, unless it's too strong. Yeah, so you can charge it like that. As you can see, it's charging 38%. That's pretty awesome, and I'm pretty sure you can still charge this like that if you really want to. Brilliant. Thanks for watching.